it's me, Spider here, and today we are going to be building the M4A3E8, or other known as the Easy 8. Don't worry about the noise in the background, just my uncle's doing some work, the handiwork stuff. The handyman. He's the Candyman. Just kidding, he's not the Candyman. But, okay, so for the first layer, you are going to need the following blocks. Okay, I forgot this. So, yeah, let's just do these. Wait, okay. So, over here, you want to place the block down, break your things. So you can have 1 and a 1 right there, or just okay. Then you have 1. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know it's supposed to be 6, but I don't. This is how Garrett 2x4 made this chassis. But so then you put buttons on it, all the way across, and put another brick slab right there. And then put your stone slabs over here. Okay, just 3 across. And let me see, how did this go? Okay, I see. Put them, and then put your dark oak fence gates right here, and then put another brick, and then take your nether brick slabs and put them up like that. Break this. So now that you are done with the first layer, we can go to the second layer. So yeah, okay. For the second layer, you are not gonna need this. You are gonna need this and this and that. You are not gonna need this. Probably not, but let me send for the inside. You're gonna need that, and yeah, that. So, yeah, for the second layer, you're going to put another brick slab right here, and put 1 stone brick stair like this. Stone brick stairs. Okay. Okay. Now, once you're done with that, you want to take your stone brick stairs again, put like there, do your checkered pattern with your stone brick stairs, blah blah bloop. And then put the brick slabs, and break these ones, 2, 3, like that. And then after that, you want to do the same on the other side, and then break them, and then put your dark oak fence gate. Maybe open them. Don't open them. Okay. Now you want to put green concrete all the way like that. So make it like an H for high, and then like hello. And then what you want to do and put some. Let me see. Let me just put 3 right there. And then put your dark oak fence gates, and then put like 3 right there. 1, 2, 3. It's like, is that 3? It's like. Yeah, 3. Okay, you want to put 3 of these right here. 3 snow layers. Or just nothing if you're in survival. So, then after that, what is this? Okay, I see now. Okay, so what you want to do there is put your quartz slab like this. And then, yeah, like that. Okay. And then you put your snow like there, and right there, and put some like 3 right there too. So now that you have been done with the first layer, oh wait, you forgot this. Okay, now that you're done, you can go. Forgot to put your buttons on this side right here. Go put your buttons. Okay. Now that you're done, your next layer, you are gonna need a sign. Not these. okay. It sounds like, I don't know. So, yeah, I need this. Wait, okay. I forgot to put this, but gotta put this like there. There. No, yeah. There you go. Now that you've done that, you can go on to the next layer. Yay! And I can put one there and one like that. And then put slabo down. Slabo. Yes, slabo. You're also going to do this. Slabo right there. Put your green carpet over for the fenders. And take your sign, put them on. Blah, 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 blah. And okay, and do that. And now just put this like that. And take your green block of choice. And put it like there. Don't use grass. Grass is terrible. Okay, now what you've done that, you want to go 7 behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then go 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then go 3 across. 1, 2, 3. And take your levers and put them like that. So, okay. Now that you've done that, you can put your stuff like that. Your green block like that. And let me see, what is after this? Oh yeah, right. You need to put some banners, some green banners. Where's the green banner? There's the green banners. He's here, he's there, he's everywhere. He's second friend, Fredbear. Okay, put your banners right there. You can't put it right there. So. Okay, let's put this away. Now, if you've done this, you can check inside and see what you have to do next. Oh yeah, I remember now. Okay, don't do that. Okay, now what you want to do, you want to break these and put snow there. Or your white block of choice. Preferably not white clay or terracotta to be specific. So yeah, now that you're done with this layer, you can take this black stone slab and do like and take this. Okay, it's not this also. So do 3, just do like a ring of 3, like that. Take your carpets and put it there, and one there. But you know, not like that. Oh yeah, I also forgot. You need to put your levers for the mirrors. The mirrors. So yeah. Now that you've done that, wait, what? Why is it going down? Okay, this is okay. Put the ring of 3 right there. And if you want a little bit more space, you can take a stone brick stairs and do this and break that. So if you want a little bit more space right here. So now that you're done with this layer, you can go to the next and go boop, boop, and then a boop. So actually, no, not there. You need a dispenser and put it like there. Boop, and then put another 3, round of 3, 3. You can break this and put 1. And put your stone slab like that, and then 3. This part is tense and emotional. Actually, no, you can't break this. Actually, yeah, you can. So just put some string wherever it is, string, and put it like right here. Actually, no, you can't do that. Actually, no, you can't put string there. So, okay, let's just time set 6,000. Okay, now just put that there and one thing there. Okay, let's get our gun, which is going to be 5. So we'll put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, once you've done all that, you are done with this layer. Congratulations, Professor Higgins. Okay, next layer, you want to take yourself a torch for the headlight, or not the headlight, but just it's like a lantern thing. Put it like right there, and yeah, you can put your stairs like that. Actually, no, yeah, like that. And put your fence gates. And if you want to, oh wait, I really forgot this and this. This button, this. Okay, now we want to put that there and put carpets. So, nope, that's not good. Okay, put carpets there and there. And then break this and put a cauldron. Let's just CAU. Put a cauldron right here. So you can, and put facing this way, put an iron trap door. And then put a button. Actually put, wait, what? Okay, it's gonna, okay, you want to break this and put that there. Wait, what? Okay, it's confused me for a second. So now I can put in here. Yeah. And if you wanna, this is on my M7 Priest video. To show how to make this. So just show you how to do it. It's a oxy daisy with a white dye, and then you take it out, and then put another white dye in the middle. Okay. Now put it right here and cover that gap. You put it right here too for symmetry. And then you can also put it right here if you wanted to. Yeah, that's a Russian vehicle. First Russian on the thing. Okay, you have finished this tutorial. Congratulations. That's pretty awesome. And I better just stop saying stuff. Actually, no, that'd be bad. Okay. Just, okay, put the ladder, big, boom, boom. You can go here. You just put it, like a thingy here. No. It still doesn't work. Let's do that. And now working this out. Okay, this is okay. Just do that and put that back and put this back here. Okay, now, okay. Thanks for watching, and hope you liked the tutorial. Forgot to put that there. And if you liked it a lot, you can subscribe. And yeah.